Let's be honest. Most students don't fear viruses. They fear exam questions about viruses. Words like lytic cycle, RNA virus, lysogenic phase. They sound confusing. But today, we slow everything down. Imagine I'm your teacher, and you just thought, I understand nothing about viruses. Good. By the end of this video, viruses will feel simple, logical, and easy to remember. A virus is not a cell. This point is extremely important. Cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and organelles. Viruses have none of these. A virus is made of only two main parts. First, genetic material, DNA or RNA, never both. Second, a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an envelope, but not all. Viruses cannot grow. They cannot make energy. They cannot reproduce alone. That is why viruses are not considered fully alive. Now let's see how a virus infects a cell. This happens in clear steps. Step 1. Attachment. The virus attaches to a specific receptor. No receptor, no infection. Step 2. Entry. The virus enters the cell or injects its genetic material. Step 3. Replication. The cell is forced to make viral parts. Step 4. Assembly. New viruses are formed. Step 5. Release. The new viruses leave the cell. Often, the cell is destroyed. The cell becomes a virus factory. The lytic cycle is the destructive cycle. The virus enters the cell, takes control, makes many new viruses, and then the cell bursts. This process is called lysis. The host cell dies. This causes tissue damage and disease symptoms. The lysogenic cycle is different. The virus does not destroy the cell immediately. Instead, the viral DNA joins the host DNA. The virus becomes inactive. The cell divides normally, and the viral DNA is copied silently. This hidden viral DNA is called a prophage. Later, stress can activate the virus, and it can switch to the lytic cycle. Viruses damage cells. But symptoms are not always caused directly by viruses. Your immune system, this causes fever, pain, and inflammation. So sometimes, it is your immune response that makes you feel sick. Your body has a defense system called the immune system. White blood cells attack infected cells. Antibodies bind to viruses and stop them. Memory cells remember the virus, so if it enters again, your response is faster and stronger. Vaccines train the immune system. They contain a weakened virus, a killed virus, or viral proteins. Vaccines do not cause disease. They help the body learn how to fight the virus. This creates immune memory. Yes, viruses can be useful. They are used in gene therapy. They help treat some cancers. Bacteriophages kill harmful bacteria. Viruses are tools, when used carefully. Remember this: viruses are not cells. They need host cells. They reproduce using cycles. They can cause disease. They can also help science. Once you understand the logic, viruses stop being confusing. And that is how you succeed in exams.